Hey guys, welcome to Big Joe and Malia's World.
Today we're in Norton, Virginia at the Woodbooger Grill. Welcome to Big Joe and Malia's World, straight out of the holler tour.
Yee yee!
You looking forward to this Woodbooger Grill?
Of course I am.
You reckon we'll see any Bigfoots in here?
I hope to see some family members.
I hope so. Hey, how we gonna call? We gotta call them Bigfoot. Ooh. Alright, here is the menu at the Woodbooger Grill in Norton, Virginia. Appetizers, there's those selections. We've got sandwiches and wraps, burgers, soups, and salads. They even have tacos here. See what's on the back. Entrees, sides, drinks, pasta and spuds, drinks, desserts, and combos, and the kids menu. All right, our appetizer got here, and we got fried green tomatoes, one of my most favorite things. All right, the food's here. I got the Bigfoot tater. It's got barbecue, and it has bacon and cheese and coleslaw. Big Joe got
Steak taco
and poblano corn. Try that taco. Let me see.
Really good.
Try that taco. See what you think. It looks delicious. Oh my gosh. Yes.
That's got good pico de gallo on it.
Oh yeah.
It gets my
Awesome. Ian decided not to eat this right now because it's not been too awfully long since he ate breakfast. So he just wasn't going to eat, but this food looks amazing. It really does. All right, that's it for the Woodbooger Grill in Norton, Virginia. What you think?
I liked it.
You know, it's a cool little restaurant. It is. It's just, it's not very big. It's a locally owned place, which, you know, we always support local economies whenever we can when we travel. Good choice, though. It was the neatest place. It was very well decorated.
Oh, I loved how it was decorated.
Yeah.
The decoration was cool.
It made it. It made it. The food was okay. I mean, it was. Joe's was delicious.
My tacos were amazing.
We actually traded about halfway through the meal. My potato was all right.
I liked the barbecue. The barbecue was good.
It was okay. I guess it just wasn't what I expected, but it was fine. It really was. It was fine. Like I said, we switched meals midway through, and so we could both, you know, eat what the other one had.
And some of the best fried green tomatoes I've ever eaten.
Now the fried green tomatoes
were delicious.
They really
man,
were.
that pico de gallo on them steak tacos. It was good.
Was it worth the trip to Norton, Virginia?
Yes,
absolutely.
Absolutely.
It was fun. It was a really good experience. We enjoyed it. But guys, thanks for watching. And as always, we want to thank you for allowing a little bit of Big Joe and Malia's world
into your world.
We'll see you soon, guys.
Bye.
Seems like they just don't